last 24 hours, the importance has shifted from Grok 4 over to Kimi-K2. Kimi-K2 is not a reasoning model, but it is very powerful. It is equal or better than most of the other models, and it is open source. So when it comes to open source, how do we get access to the API key? You need to either sign up with Moonshot AI for a Kimi account and get the API key, or still better is if you have an API key from Grok. Grok has already hosted this from yesterday, so you can use Grok API key to access Kimi. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. What we will do in this video is, we will build an agentic application using Kimi-K2, but we will use DeepSeek to add reasoning to it. So this becomes extremely powerful. This is the Grok account. This is grok.com, G-R-O-Q, not Elon's G-R-O-K. Okay, grok.com. So grok.com, you need to get the API key from there. This is a paid account. I think you need to pay $10 to get this access. And once you have that, from this drop down, you get most of the popular large language models, and yesterday they have added this Moonshot AI Kimi-K2 Instruct. So that is what we will use with our agent. The code sample that I'm using is from Agno cookbook itself. So there is no code attached to this video. It is picked up from this Agno cookbook GitHub repo. Now here we are defining the agent, and this agent we will use Kimi-K2 as the main model, and Agno agent framework lets us use a reasoning model. Okay, so if your main model is not a reasoning model, you can add this parameter reasoning underscore model equal to Grok and give the ID, and here we will use DeepSeek R1 distill llama 70 billion parameters. Okay, remember this K2 has 1 trillion parameters, and the prompt we are asking is very simple: is 9.11 bigger or 9.9? But that is not the point. Point is showing how you can use just released Kimi-K2 as a reasoning model. Run1.sh is just starting my Python environment, pip install the requirements, and then execute this. So let's see how it does. Is 9.11 bigger or 9.9? Okay, see here, reasoning step 1. Therefore, 9.9 is bigger than 9.11. Clearly see the reasoning happening. Let's look at the script. Here we are using Moonshot AI Kimi-K2 Instruct, and for reasoning we are using DeepSeek R1 distill llama 70 billion. So best of both worlds. We have the most potent large language model coupled with the reasoning ability of DeepSeek. Stay tuned for practical videos like this. These videos are going to be handy when you build your own agentic applications for your SaaS products. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code Make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.